The factors which reduces the immunity are like they have explained in Ayurveda in a simple shloka, that is Bala Kshaya Kara Bhavas. Kshaya means which lowers the lower, Bala means strength. So there are few points which has been explained, mainly Vego hi Doshana. Dosha means it's a three energies in our body which should be in a balanced way. If it is in a balanced way, everything goes well. If there is anything like hampers that particular dosha, or if dosha gets vitiated, it may come up with a stronger disease which leads to the lowering of the immunity. So that is one part. And second point comes with like fluid. Nowadays people are much more concentrating on fluid intake, as like most of the people think that there is some limitations like 2 liters 3 liters of fluid every day I have to. That is a myth actually. So it is very important how much how much liters your body demands, that you have to concentrate. You have to listen to your body, not to any kind of like measurements or such things. So when you are able to concentrate on your body, like how much your body demands, that only you have to concentrate, and you have to go with that particular fluid intake. So if your fluid intake is less, obviously it leads to the lowering of the immunity. It may be in different forms. It doesn't mean that only you have to drink water. No, not like that. Like it may be fruit juice, or it may in the form of different recipes kind of thing, that you can plan accordingly. And very important third point is bhutopagatas. Bhutopagatas means like we call it as agantuja also. Agantuja means the factors like which like infection of like viral, it may be viral infection or it may be a bacterial infection kind of thing, which leads to the lowering of our immunity. And other than that, Athi Madhyapanat. Athi Madhyapanat means having a more alcohol, which leads to the lowering of the immunity. And Athi Vyayamat, which is very important, because nowadays people are crazy about these Vyayamas or physical exercise. They think that if I do more exercise, I can get good health, or no. Again, that Vyayama is also, we call it as Shakti Anusara. In Ayurveda, they have clearly mentioned each and everybody is unique. Each and everybody's capacity is different. So Shakti Anusara you have to do the Vyayama, because when you do more Vyayama, it leads to vitiation of Vata, again which leads to a tissue damage, so which we don't recommend. So this Ati Vyayama is also one of the reason to reduction of this immunity. And next comes Ratri Jagaranat. That is very important, because nowadays like if you go through the present lifestyle, lot of people, they are working at night, which is most dangerous in fact. So we have to concentrate on that particular aspects also. Keeping awake in night leads to lowering the immunity. So we have to concentrate on these particular aspects also. And finally, Manovyapat. Manovyapat means related to the mental stress, or our that overall stress related issues which comes under this particular aspect, which is also one of the factors which leads to the lowering of the immunity.